This is Falcon Finance FFUSDT. We're going to be taking a quick look into what's happening in this new coin that has came into the market not too long ago, back in late September, and it already has a pretty sizable market cap here. We're seeing a market cap of about 300 over 300 million, okay, which is ranked top 200, which is still pretty sizable for a new coin here. So what could be happening with Falcon Finance? This is the 4-hour time frame, which is the time frame I'm paying attention to because there is a rising wedge pattern here, and rising wedges you guys should definitely be paying attention to even during uptrends, even during bull cycles, because it tells you that because it is a bearish pattern, right? And bearish patterns have a higher chance of breaking to the downside, and this one did. The breakdown target for this pattern here would be about 7.8 cents, 7.85 cents here, price targets. Now, price targets are estimates only. There could be more, there could be less, a lot of which does depend on what happens with Bitcoin, okay? If Bitcoin starts dumping from here, that could drag quite a bit of these altcoins down with it. However, if Bitcoin has more room to pump, then that's going to be very good for a lot of these altcoins. I am long on quite a bit of altcoins here, so my opinions on these markets on crypto are bullish right now. However, these are just my opinions and not financial advice like the entirety of this video, and you guys should find your own opinions and strategies. So what I'm seeing here for Falcon Finance here is a potential breakdown to about 7.85 cents here. Let's take a look into it could be happening here on a shorter time frame. Okay, so it's already beneath your 4-hour moving averages, and your 4-hour 21 SMA is about to cross over your 4-hour 50 SMA. That is going to be serving as your new resistance if it actually crosses over, right? And that could be coming down to the price action. Now I'm just showing you guys what's on the chart here. So I mean, it's already on the chart, right? So I'm just telling you guys what's here. Now let's take a look into a higher time frame here, 3-day time frame. If Falcon Finance is actually able to bounce back from this from this breakdown here, meaning that the price target does not get met, and it's able to actually bounce back with a shorter breakdown, then this could still look like a potential cup and handle pattern here. Okay, this is the 3-day time frame. 3-day time frame. If Falcon Finance actually is able to bounce back with a shorter breakdown, there could be a cup and handle pattern here that could still form. Okay, that is a potential scenario, and the neckline of that potential cup and handle pattern would be about 22.5 cents. Okay, but what you would want to be looking for is on the 4-hour time frame here, you want to see 4-hour candle closes back within this rising wedge pattern that will invalidate this breakdown here, okay? And it will invalidate this rising wedge pattern. However, if it does get rejected at the bottom trend line here, which is not uncommon to see, that is called a bearish retest. Basically, when you break down from a pattern, a bearish pattern like rising wedges, and the price action goes back to retest the bottom trend line and gets rejected before more downside, that is not uncommon to see. Okay, so something to be keeping an eye out on if these 4-hour candle closes goes back into the pattern, or will it get rejected for more downside? Okay, if it does get rejected for more downside, what are some possible support levels to be paying attention to? Let's see here. Do we have any more support underneath the price action right now? It is basically at a very important support, which is your daily moving average, right? In my opinion, it has not exactly lost that yet because the yesterday's daily candle close was not exactly a solid candle close below that moving average. So in that case, it could still be support, your daily 21 SMA. So this is basically what I'm seeing for Falcon Finance. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing any more of this coin or any other coins in this market. by dropping a like, comment, subscribe. I'll pick a request to you for you guys on a daily basis, and I'll see you on the next one.